I'm assuming this must open up into a pit of some kind. Yeah, this has been cut down over the years. Clear cut, and then it's all grown up again. Well, that's how nature heals itself. These are all popple trees that are growing back. So that's a maple. So I'm assuming they cut way back into there, mostly hardwood, and now hardwood is replacing it. And then this is going to come out onto the power lines, as we see the power lines here. You can hear the bullfrogs. Hear them? It's all marshy. That's what they call cattails. You can hear the frogs. And of course we have our local dump. Look at the tires. All that. Even burnt some there. Yeah, always gonna find you. There's a shopping cart with some clothes. Look at the rug. Wow. Rolled out the rug. Now, mind you, this is a very long ways from a dump. So they just, I guess, drove it out here and